Yes, this is a bakery. You can get a fresh bread here every day. Their bread is so fresh. Depending on the time you get here, you're guaranteed to get a fresh bread every day. Food business is a very good business. Ooh, here goes the bread. I am here to get my bread and I was told to wait for 5 minutes. I'm definitely going to get the very hot one just in 5 minutes. Yes, let's zoom in. Whoa, that's the oven. That's the oven. Yeah, so I would definitely wait for my bread. They have different varieties. Depend on your choice. But I'm actually waiting for this one that looks like French baguette. It is not a baguette, but it looks like a French baguette. That's the one I'm waiting for. Yeah, this is Koiki Media bringing the word about food to your doorstep.
It's coming.
Oh, my bread is coming. Oh my God, here comes the fresh bread. Here comes the fresh bread. So I'm good to go. Yeah, my bread is ready. This is Koiki Media once again bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Bye for now.